Hey everyone, in this lesson we will learn about measuring commands like how to measure distance, how to measure area, how to measure list or not list, how to learn about list. Okay, so the first part is, let's say we have a line like this, okay, like this one, and I would like to measure this line. So how can I do this? Simply by using the distance di, which is distance, and enter. Specify first point. This is the first point, and then it says specify second point. You can see 15.65 meters or centimeter depending on the scale of this drawing, like this, and it will say, hey, if you go up like this, you'll find here distance 15.6587. Here it gives you in axis how many lengths in x-axis and in y-axis and in z. Okay, we don't care about this because we need only the distance, this number. We don't deal with coordinates in electrical drawing. Okay, so that is how you measure distance between two lines. Now let's say we have a figure like this one, a rectangle, a circle like this, any random shape like this, not like this, Control Z, like this, okay, and deactivate orthogonal like this and close this shape. And I would like to know the area of these figures. All you have to do is type AA, which is area, then specify the first corner. So I will draw the figure, this, then the second point, then this one, and this one. So now we have this green area, which representing the area that I need, right? So I will click on enter. It will say area equal 51 and parameter is equal to 29. If this menu goes away or this message go away, you can just put this command like this and you'll find the area and parameter of this this figure. Now another way to get area, let's say would like area of this circle. Now if we go point by point, like in this shape, if I say AA and then go to each point like this, it will take a very long time, right? Like this. Okay, and enter, you will get area like this. So what about a figure like a circle? How can I draw a circle like this or get area of circle? You can simply say AA, area, and then select by object like this. So I select the object, this one. Hey, your area is 60 and circumference equal to 27.6. If I say AA like this and by object, select it, you will have area as you can see. Now what about this one? Let's say AA, enter, and object. If I go here, it will select the object, area 129. Okay, so it is much easier to use AA and select the object to get its own area. Now that is the second command we learned in this lesson. The third one is called list. LI or list. What does this do? If you click on this rectangle, it will give you all the properties about it. Select it and enter. Okay, it will give you, for example, if you go here like this, you can see area, perimeter, and every point x equal 23. Each of these coordinates of the corners of this rectangle. Now let's see it for another figure like this, list LI, for a circle like this. You can see we have selected circle. It will say, hey, you have center point, center of the circle is at x equal to 42, y equal to 12, radius of this circle, circumference of this circle 27.6, area equal to 60.7, and etc. Again, LI, enter, select object and enter, again gives you the area, length of this line or the parameter, and each of these corner points that form the shape. So that's another way you can get area, length, for different figures, and it will be very helpful in some of our applications that we are going to learn.